The CSD is a flexible storage solution designed to accommodate a wide range of operational modes, catering to the diverse demands of factory automation. It serves as an overflow buffer, a hold time buffer, or knock buffer, seamlessly adapting to various production needs. This flexibility allows operators to select panels individually from any position for unloading at their convenience. Designed to accommodate high-speed cycle times, the CSD is compatible with clean room environments, making it an excellent choice for high-volume production lines. One notable feature of the CSD is its unique reverse mode, which facilitates sequential loading and unloading of panels, enhancing operational efficiency. To further streamline maintenance, a tiltable conveyor provides easy access to the buffer basket. The fully enclosed CSD, developed by Advanced Engineering, embodies the core principles of Industry 4.0. This innovative design integrates seamlessly into fully automated manufacturing processes, enhancing overall efficiency and productivity.